Looking to boost your Honda Goldwings audio without hassle? These 15-watt replacement speakers are designed specifically for GL1200 front and rear, and GL1500 rear models. They slip right into place as a direct swap for your worn-out OEM speakers, delivering clearer, richer sound that's noticeably better than the originals. I've seen plenty of riders frustrated with fading or blown speakers, especially on older Goldwings. One owner shared how their rear speakers on a 1500 Goldwing had completely died. After installing these replacements, the difference was immediate: louder, clearer sound and easy installation that didn't require any modifications. Another rider with a 96 Goldwing called them the perfect replacement for tired factory speakers, noting they aren't overpowering but restore the rear audio perfectly. These speakers bring your sound system back to life without turning your ride into a concert hall. What you get is a pair of 4-inch, 15-watt speakers that fit like a glove and perform reliably. They're not designed to blast your music at ear-splitting volumes, but they bring a crisp, balanced sound that makes every ride more enjoyable. If you've been ignoring your rear speakers because they're barely audible, this upgrade is worth a look. Installation is fast and straightforward, so you'll be back on the road with better sound in no time. If that's you, try these speakers when you're ready and rediscover your Goldwing's full audio potential.